Number 2, here is a biased four-sided spinner. The table gives the probabilities that when the spinner spun once, it will land on 1 or it will land on 3. The probability that the spinner will land on 2 is equal to the probability that the spinner will land on 4. Ravina is going to spin the spinner a number of times. Ravina works out an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 3 is 45. Work out an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 4. To find an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 4, we need to find the probability of 4 and the number of times. The probability of 4, it's given to you that the probability of 2 equals the probability of 4, and we know that the sum of all probabilities equals 1. So if the probability of 4 x, so the probability of 2 equals x. So now if we add all, we get 1. So 2x plus 0.26 plus 0.18 equals 1. Then we can solve for x. So x equals 1 minus 0.26 minus 0.18 divided by 2 equals 0.28. Now to find the number of the total times, it's given to you that an estimate for the number of times of the spinner will land on 3 equals 45. So to find the estimate of number of times will land on 3, you have to multiply the probability of 3 multiplied by the total number to get 45. So 0.18 times the total number equals 45. So to find the total number, 45 divide 0.18 equals 250 times. Now we can find an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 4 by multiplying the probability of 4, which is 0.28, times the total number, which is 250, equals 70 times.